How to delete a page in Word Mac? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a singular page in Word for Mac. If you would like to know how to delete multiple at once, I have another link in the description on how to do that. If this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. To delete a page in Word for Mac, we first need to make sure the navigation pane is on. This can be found in View, Navigation Pane, as shown here. Once that's done, click on Edit at the top of the screen, scroll down to Find, and click Advanced Find and Replace. Then click the Go To tab. From here, type \page. Once you type \page and hit Enter, you'll see it will select an entire page. You can use this in combination with the navigation pane on the left. Click the page that you would like to delete, hit Enter on \page, click on the document, and then press the backspace or delete key. The entire page will be deleted and you're good to go. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.